Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you struggling to reduce weight? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll share our top 10 tips to help you reduce weight and achieve your fitness goals. Tip 1. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Drinking enough water can boost your metabolism, suppress appetite, and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces, of water per day. You can also monitor your urine output to ensure you are drinking enough water. It should be pale yellow or clear. Additionally, drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Make water your go-to beverage and watch the pounds melt away. Tip 2. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Aim to include a rainbow of colors on your plate to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Avoid sugary drinks, fast food, and processed snacks that can hinder weight loss. A balanced diet provides the essential nutrients, fiber, and satiety to support your weight loss journey. Include healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and avocados to keep you full and satisfied. By eating a balanced diet, you'll be nourishing your body and supporting sustainable weight loss. Tip 3. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. Exercise not only burns calories but also builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and improves mood. You can also incorporate strength training, high-intensity interval training, height, and other forms of physical activity to keep your workouts engaging and challenging. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, and make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle to achieve weight loss and long-term wellness. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for weight loss and overall health. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and fullness, leading to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body repair and rejuvenate. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and create a sleep-conducive environment to improve sleep quality. Prioritizing sleep will help you feel more energized, focused, and motivated to make healthy lifestyle choices, supporting your weight loss journey and overall well-being. Tip 5. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating, weight gain, and weight loss plateaus. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to manage stress levels. Take breaks throughout the day to stretch, walk, or practice mindfulness. Prioritize self-care and schedule time for relaxation and enjoyment. By reducing stress, you'll be better equipped to make healthy lifestyle choices, stick to your weight loss plan, and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, weight loss is not just about physical health, but also mental well-being. Tip 6. Monitor your portion sizes. Eating large portions can lead to consuming more calories than needed, hindering weight loss efforts. Use a food scale or measuring cups to measure your food portions. Eat slowly and stop when satisfied, rather than stuffed. Avoid eating in front of screens or while doing other activities. Be mindful of portion sizes when eating out, and choose smaller plates or bowls to visually adjust your portion sizes. By controlling your portion sizes, you'll be able to maintain a healthy calorie intake, support your weight loss goals, and develop sustainable eating habits. Tip 7. Incorporate strength training. Strength training is crucial for weight loss and overall health. It helps build muscle mass, which increases metabolism and burns more calories at rest. Incorporate exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. You can use free weights, resistance bands, or machines at the gym. Strength training will help you tone up, boost your metabolism, and support your weight loss journey. It's essential for achieving a lean and healthy body. Tip 8. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol can hinder weight loss efforts and lead to weight gain. It's high in calories, can increase appetite, and disrupts healthy eating habits. Additionally, alcohol can lead to poor food choices and overeating. Try to limit your alcohol intake or avoid it altogether. If you do choose to drink, opt for low-calorie options like wine or spirits with soda water. Be mindful of your drinking habits and try to reduce your intake over time. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about balance, and excessive alcohol consumption can hinder your weight loss progress. Tip 9. Stay active throughout the day. In addition to regular exercise, try to stay active throughout the day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk to work or school, or do a few jumping jacks during commercial breaks. Every bit of movement counts. Aim for at least 10,000 steps per day. You can also try desk exercises, like shoulder rolls and wrist extensions, to stay active while working. By incorporating more movement into your daily routine, you'll boost your metabolism, increase energy levels, and support your weight loss goals. Remember, every step counts. Tip 10. Be consistent. Consistency is key to achieving weight loss success. Stick to your healthy lifestyle habits consistently, and you'll see results over time. Don't get discouraged by minor setbacks or plateaus. Instead, learn from them and move forward. Celebrate small victories along the way, and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. By being consistent and patient, you'll develop sustainable habits that will benefit your overall health and well-being, leading to a happier, healthier you. Stay committed, and you'll reach your weight loss goals in no time. In conclusion, these 10 tips provide a comprehensive guide to achieving weight loss success. By incorporating healthy habits into your lifestyle, such as drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress, you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and kind to yourself throughout your journey. Celebrate small victories and learn from setbacks. With time and effort, you'll develop sustainable habits that will benefit your overall health and well-being, leading to a happier, healthier you. Good luck on your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to be patient and stay committed to your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.